Hi everyone, it's Rachel Smith with RE/MAX up in Big Bear. Today I'm walking you through my new listing over at 361 Mason Lane over in the Big Bear City area. Come check it out. Okay, so here we are at 361 Mason Lane in Big Bear City area. This one has just hit the market, 3-bedroom, 3.5 bath, and 25 square foot. So 2,525 square foot. So it's at the end of the road, Mason Lane, dead ends, open area right here. This lot out here is for sale. It is a development and in the $1 million range. I want to say about like 1.2 million. I can get the details on that if you like. So this one is just hitting the market for $685,000. Property line right around here. And it's got beautiful views out the back. As well as looking around the neighborhood, you see that all the houses are nice, new, and likely used as a full-time residence. So real quick here, coming into the driveway, we've got 2 spots right here for parking, possibly 3, and then an attached 2-car garage. So let's go on up. We've got Trex decking, handrails. You could use this as a short-term rental if you like, but would make for a great primary home or secondary home. So coming upstairs, we've got gate, rolling gate right here. Keep dogs and children inside. And then the roof, this is about the only part of the roof that we're gonna be able to see without a drone, but it seems like it's in pretty good shape. Beautiful blue skies. So a slightly covered entry going in, and you're gonna have to bear with me because the smoke alarm is going off and I am not 12 foot tall. So coming in at the entry, as you can see, right here, we've just got a hall closet for coats, things like that. But one thing that you'll notice, just very high ceilings in the back and great, just like kind of mountain feel to it with the light laminate hardwood flooring. And then the colors of the kitchen as well. So here we are. This is kind of a little pop out right here, like kind of a bay window like. But this is going to be the dining room area. Dining room table would go right under here. And then over here is our kitchen. So one other thing to note is that this was used as a full-time residence, but it was a long-term rental. So the renters were here for several years, just moved out, left it in great condition. We do have tiled countertops that are kind of like a gray, brown, white, black speckles, and then a lighter cabinet down below and up above. Stainless steel appliances. Can't tell, that looks like kind of like frost on a windshield, on a window too. So not that cold out. Check on that. And then here we have our pantry. Nice built-in pantry. And that's what makes this place good for a long-term residence, is it's got storage for being a long-term. Short-term, I mean, obviously if you've got a big family, it's 3 bedrooms, but a lot of square footage. So you could easily get probably like 15 people in here, depending upon your standards of how tight you like to sleep. We used to make my brother sleep in a bathtub when we would travel. He didn't really like that, but we did. So here's where your fridge would go. And then we've got dual oven right here. Whoa, sorry, not a dual oven. That is a microwave and an oven right here. And then we've got the built-in stovetop. This is gas. And just tons and tons and tons of storage. So here we're going to transition from the dining kitchen over to the living room, and that's going to turn into carpet right here. One thing that I would do if I was the owner of this house is maybe add some of that tongue and groove up here so that you've got like a mountain look on the living room part too. You could also decorate it with different flooring or even just some mountain furniture as well. And I would put up a big wooden live edge mantle right here above the fireplace. And this one is going to be a gas fireplace. Looks like a false piece of wood too. So I'm not sure if it actually burns real wood, but it is a gas fireplace. TV connection right here. I mean, this room is very large. You could have 2 sectionals in here if you wanted to. Let's talk about the blinds are actually really neat. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but they're kind of textured. A little bit above and beyond what you see in a lot of homes. And then these are dual pane windows. So I'm gonna come outside real quick. Again, trucks decking back here, privacy fence, and then we do have plumbing right here for a gas barbecue. And so we have one of the bedrooms that can also walk out onto this deck, but then also the main living room. And so your property line, I would have to check it, but probably going to be close to this fence corner, kind of coming at a diagonal. And this is the land that is for sale. So you will possibly have a one house, maybe multiple houses out here as a new construction would be going in. Very quiet. And privacy fence on this side too. Here also, again, is a master bedroom. But let's go check it out. Kind of makes for a good wind barrier as well. So if the wind's blowing, you're not getting it kind of side to side. You're just enjoying it. And then coming down the hallway. And so we've got some good 9-foot ceilings in here, it looks like. Very big hallways. These are probably 8-foot doorways, maybe. Just oversized. So on the right-hand side, we've got the laundry room, kind of like a dark, cozy green in here. Same colors on the countertop. Washing sink, plastic, but lots of storage too. Up above and down below. And then this is where you would get your side-by-side washer and dryer. Then across the hall, this is one of the masters. I would probably call this the master. And this one is where you could do the walkout onto the back patio. One other thing to note, we do have central heating here as well. So probably, and it looks like you can kind of tell by the marks in the flooring, this is where the bed would go, facing this direction. You could also, if you wanted to, put it that way, but then you got to walk around to get to the closet each time. These are nice built-ins that go back. And then also big deep drawers as well. Like a his and a hers side, you got 4 drawers and a cabinet, 4 drawers. So coming into the bathroom, carpeted, so you could replace that. I do have a nice shower, and it is made of tile, good storage on the inside, nice lighting, super easy to clean, and nice mountainy colors. I do know what that is. That is to hold a shower thing, but we do not have one. And then we've got the toilet room and the dual sinks. So lots of counter space here as well. Same kind of tile that we're seeing throughout the house. I like this little vanity area too. Put a little chair under here. Maybe just a little area for somebody to do their makeup, get ready, sit down, dry their hair, things like that. And then here we have a small jetted bathtub. Probably one person, possibly a two, with a great view out the back window. And we do have blinds, just in case anybody builds back there. And then, being the master, we also have a walk-in closet here. Lots of space. Nice big closet. Could probably fill this up pretty quickly. So that is bedroom number 1 and bathroom number 1 as well. And then we've got the second master. So I'm going to show you the room first. Got nice high ceilings, ceiling fan. Looks like the bed was kind of over in this corner. And then again, we do have a walk-in closet right here, a little bit smaller, which is why the other is the master, and this one is just the master. So coming down out of this bedroom, we do have a bathroom here. So a little bit smaller than the master, but same tile, sink, brushed nickel, and then toilet, heater, and then also the same tile in the shower, and a cast iron tub that's kind of like an almond color as well. And then let's go. So we've seen a 2-2 right now. Here we have just like a broom closet, also like a, towels and such, as well as a vacuum closet. We have the heater in here, and even though it says cool, we do only have heating up in Big Bear is most common. We do not have air conditioning, which is pretty typical. So here we have a very wide staircase, very forgiving staircase. What I mean by forgiving is that if you took a fall down here, you would probably survive. Very cozy, very comfortable, cushy carpet, and wide, and a very just gradual decline. It's not too steep. So coming down here, this is kind of like a little bonus area. This is you could do anything with it. You could make it a playroom for kids. You could make it an office. You could make it a little gaming area, anything you want. So here we have the last of the bedrooms. Another master. And this is probably where the bed would go, over here. Be nice if this had like a little walkout patio right here, and you could put a little hot tub in this corner, would be kind of nice. And I'd probably do some paint on the inside. of the house, if it was my ownership, just kind of go back to like neutral colors and decorate in color, which is always kind of what I tend to do. And here we have bathroom number 3. This is basically just the same thing. Countertops, nickel toilet, and the same shower. I mean, it is an exact replica of the bathroom upstairs. Very nice, very nice. And then I'm going to take you into the garage really quick. But first, just a small closet area right here. I mean, it's not small. Look at that. It's even got its own light in here. I mean, you could turn this into a 4th bedroom for kids. I don't know. What would you do with this space? Storage. I've also seen where people just slide their Christmas trees right in, so you can have that as well. And then here we have the garage. It is finished off, drywalled, and then has electrical throughout. Got a nice garage door opener. And they have the fridge down here, but that could easily just be hauled back upstairs. The renters had their fridge, so that is why that's that way. And then here we have underneath the home. So this is where you could have a lot of storage. Right here, they've got built-ins up here, several fans over in that direction. And then this is where the furnace and the 2 water heaters are as well. It's funny, I don't know why those fans are there. What would be your guess? 3 fans. Oh no, look what I found. Somebody is gonna owe Redbox a lot of money for this rental called Savages. What do you think? Should I try and return it? Let me know in the comments. Bye.